Welcome to TTI. Today, you will not believe some of the incredible inventions that creators have come up with. We have a video so thrilling, you'll be asking for more. We have racing desert cars that are actually toys, all-terrain vehicles, and will blow your mind, and crocodile heads in water that are not actually crocodiles. You know what? It would be far better if we showed you. Let's dive in. Flytec Crocodile Boat. Make sure when you see a crocodile swimming around in a pond, it is an actual crocodile. It could very well be this $14 RC toy. The Flytec Crocodile Boat is a replica of the head of a crocodile, and it is so realistic that it could scare your pants off. If you love pranks, have some birds to scare, or teenagers to keep out of your pool, this would be great. You can operate this boat from 30 meters away with a charging time from 2 to 3 hours for a full 20 to 25 minute play. AV8B Harrier II. It's not every day that we will see inventions like this one. What you are looking at is an entire line of landing and vertical takeoff aircraft. The production of this line started in 1981, being the upgraded replica of a previous attack aircraft. The AV8B Harrier II goes to a maximum speed of 1,083 kilometers per hour. The aircraft houses one pilot, and it's the weapon of choice. The GAU-12 5-barrel 25mm Gatling-type rotary cannon specially built and designed for Harrier. If you look closely, you may remember this aircraft as one featured in several aircraft simulations and video games. Did I mention the missiles that can be loaded on this machine, including 4 air-to-surface guided missiles and 8 air-to-air guided missiles? There are bombs, unguided rockets, blast clusters, and fire bombs on this machine. We are talking about over 800 kilograms of ammo and many more weapons. Roboneers UGV. Now, this weapon seems to be made with everything one may need in combat. The Roboneers UGV is a high-efficiency robotic vehicle that can execute various tasks that other combat vehicles of its size cannot. This machine can be controlled by remote when needed and comes with outstanding cross-country capabilities. Made by a Ukraine company, the UGV can easily be turned into a launching station for a drone. You can find the Roboneers UGV moving so silently and quickly, and it can easily move in enemies' territories. This vehicle's payload is approximately 600 kilograms and has a speed of up to 20 kilometers an hour. This vehicle is excellent for rough terrain travel and can tow objects up to 1 ton weight. As great as this machine sounds, you may want to stick around because we have much more. Cosmo Power AA. Next, we have the Cosmo Power AA. It looks like a big yellow ball bouncing on water, right? It is much more than it seems. You are looking at a mechanism designed to save lives in the case of an earthquake, tsunamis, or extreme natural disaster. While your country or state may not be prone to such conditions, countries like Japan, Florida, and some Caribbean parts would appreciate the Cosmo Power AA. I am guessing by now you probably figured out why they named it NOAA, right? While it may not be possible to have this invention in every home readily, the fact that it is already invented is a massive step. Besides, these available at $4,000. NOAA is designed so that the entire family can get inside and seal the door shut in the event of flooding or a natural disaster. NOAA is, of course, adequately ventilated and has a desirable microclimate inside of the pod. By now, you also get the pod's bright yellow color. This is so the pods are easily located in a search and rescue situation. Cosmic Power's creators and CEO state that NOAA is 100% safe and made to withstand immense pressure or force. At the introduction of this product, the company has received over 600 orders for the NOAA, which is very much understandable since I may get one myself. MVF-5. It is always good to see inventions made with the intention to save lives, and the MVF is one such equipment. The job of a firefighter can be very frightening and dangerous. Luckily, there are tools like the MVF-5, a modern-day fire extinguisher that resembles a small truck. The MVF-5 vehicle was created by a Croatian company called Docking as an all-purpose firefighting machine. What is most impressive about this machine is that it can get into areas that are hard to reach due to its size, but it can be remotely controlled with the operator as far as 1,500 meters away. The MVF-5 is equipped with 2 tanks, one for water and the other for foam. These tanks may be used individually or simultaneously to extinguish a fire. This vehicle is not only limited to fire extinguishing, thanks to its gripper that lifts, cuts, and moves items, and its thermal imaging camera that can visualize things not seen by the naked eye. Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer. You would love to watch this. Not so sure if your heart can take it if you were actually inside. This next invention is the Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer, developed by an American company Traxxas as the ultimate desert racer. First, let's see some specs. This toy racing car speeds up to 80 kilometers in an hour. Changing batteries is seamless and does not require you removing the body of the vehicle. The engine and transmission are extractable just like a real car, and this car only weighs around 6 kilograms. The engineering work on the Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer is beautiful, totally worth its $700 price tag. Still need more convincing? This car is stable and easy to handle. The details on this car is unlike any other toy car you would come across. It has spare wheels, shock absorbers, and sway bars. If you want a toy car that is reliable, realistic, has a stable control, and runs smoothly, then this desert running would be perfect for you. Thor. You know how some vehicles say they are all-terrain, but they are not precisely an all-terrain vehicle? Let us show you an actual all-terrain vehicle called Thor. This four-wheeled off-road vehicle has undoubtedly earned its name. Thor overcomes any obstacles with its impressive 160 horsepower engine and has a top speed of 68 kilometers an hour. This Ukrainian company created Thor as an ATV with cross-country abilities, with a massive 1640 by 640 millimeters ultra-low pressure tubeless tires. Thor moves through water as if it's not even there, at 7 kilometers an hour. Thor comes with up to 6 seats or 3 beds, depending on your preferences. Carry a load capacity of up to 1,000 kilograms and a ground clearance of 580 millimeters. Tinger Track. Okay, let us be reasonable. Wouldn't you pay $24,000 for a vehicle that can replace a swamp buggy, a snowmobile, a boat, a bike, and a tracker? Of course you would. A company out of Russia created the Tinger Track. This all-terrain 5-in-1 vehicle can navigate its way through any situation, travel off and on the road. Water the Tinger Track climbs mountain slopes up to 40 to 45 degrees as if there was no slope. Find Tinger Track operating effortlessly in temperatures as low as -30 degrees. Obstacles up to 60 centimeters and pits up to a meter deep are also no match for the Tinger Track. It has a winch, and a hook takes on trenches up to 100 degrees and has 57 horsepowered engines. Tinger Track carries up to 5 persons and a half a ton in load. We know you wanted to see more of these fantastic inventions, but we will catch you in the next video. In the meantime, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Be sure also to check out some of our other videos while you are here. Cheers!